Welcome back. For those of you who are new to this series, I have already discussed a couple of techniques in the previous videos. Do check out the links in the description of those videos. And now let's continue the series with how you can optimize the performance of your React app by using React.Fragment to avoid creating DOM nodes unnecessarily. While you work on React apps, there will be cases where you will have to render multiple elements or maybe even return a group of related items like this. Now if I try to run this app, it will give me an error that adjacent JSX elements must be wrapped in an enclosing tag. It is because when you have more elements inside the returning JSX, it should be wrapped in a single container element. Before React 16.2, we used to just write the division, but now we have React.Fragment, which allows us to wrap the children without adding extra nodes to the DOM. You can also use the short syntax for declaring a React fragment like this, where you do not need to write, it's just those brackets which you put and that creates a fragment.